This is the second part of our Hong Kong Disneyland Tour. Previously, we shared our wonderful moments at the It's a Small World and Frozen Ever After attractions. This time, we explore the Toy Story Land Mystic Point and the Jungle River Cruise. We highly recommend including these attractions in your list of priorities going to this theme park, as it offers exciting adventures that suit both kids and adults. The rides are not too extreme, yet it still brings some chill at the most unexpected moments. For reviews on places, events, food, and rest, like and share this video and hit subscribe.